Hello parents, today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. It is a very important concept related to fractions, but there are so many applications from ratios, proportions, unit rates, conversions, and really much more. So your child may understand that a fraction is part of a whole. In school they will learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. Within the unit on fractions they may learn equivalent fractions, or that two fractions that are equal to each other. For example, 1/2 is the same as 2/4. Help your child understand this. Beyond that, you multiply both the top and bottom by 2 to convert 1/2 into 2/4. Multiplying by 2 over 2 is multiplying by 1, so therefore 1/2 is equal to 2/4. You can use a diagram. For example, you can use two circles, and you can illustrate to your child that 1/2 is the same thing as 2/4. You can do this with a number line. There's 1/2, and you could break it up into quarters, 1/4 and 2/4. You can even use two equal sized candy bars and break off a half and break off quarter pieces to show that 1/2 is the same thing as two quarter-sized pieces. Give examples that make sense to you, and you will be able to explain it to your child. Having this knowledge will be critical in future concepts because equivalent fractions is the basis of why cross products or crisscross multiply works. When you have two equivalent fractions such as 1/2, we already learned that 2/4 is equivalent to it, and when you cross multiply, you get the same number. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4. If the fractions are equivalent, this will always be true. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 6 again is 6. Understanding this very simple concept of equivalent fractions will help your child add and subtract fractions with different denominators. For example, if your child needs to add 1/2 plus 1/3, they will need to understand how to convert these individual fractions into equivalent fractions with the same denominator. It will help to find an unknown in a ratio of proportions. It will help to convert between unit of measures. It will help to understand scale drawings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will watch future videos in helping your child understand math at a deeper level.